Hello, this is Dave with E-Cells, the only manufacturer in the world to offer twin motor, twin battery, twin suspension, full suspension designed e-bikes. This particular, we're going to do a motor change out on the front wheel here and demonstrate how simple it is. We had a gentleman that submerged his motor completely, and it ended up causing a motor failure. This particular wheel was set back. The bike came, and when it shipped, it had a chip here in the wheel where the spoke is. These are 12 gauge spokes, incidentally, not 13 or 14s. That's the thickness. They're heavy steel. Another feature about this particular bike, or all of our Super Monarch bikes, is we use a Twinwall honeycomb wheel here. It adds strength to the wheel. And so when you guys out there running in the mountains, you don't have to worry about bending a wheel generally. And these tires are the V bulldozers. They're 425. But in reality, when you look at the tire is 5 1/4 inches wide. When this tire is down to 10 pounds, it actually lays a 6-inch tread pattern on the ground. And so with us, with our E-Cells dual motors, we're able to provide you 12 inches of forward traction, as opposed to the 4-inch tired e-bikes that don't have power in the rear, whether it be a mid-drive system or a hub drive system. We offer here 12 inches, not 4 inches. We have 3 times the traction heading up a mountain. Anyway, let's get back to actually why you're watching this video. I want to mention this is a hub motor, we went to Bafang, and with the 700 and with the 1500 watt crown bikes, we had them specially build these motors for us. This is if you look here at this sticker, hopefully you can see it good. It's a 52 volt motor. We don't take a 52 volt battery and put a 48 volt motor on the bike and pump it into 52 volts. We specifically went to Bafang to have them build a special 52 volt motor, 750 watt for the front motor. They'd never done it before. And with these motors, we're able to, one of my concerns was warranty. With our motors, we're able to give you a 24-month warranty, not 12-month warranty. So that's a great plus for our bikes. We offer a lifetime frame warranty on our bikes. We give you a 2-year warranty on the batteries and also on the motors. Let's get back to business now. What I've done here is I've removed, there's 6 hex nuts, and on this bike, on this hub, I'm just going to go ahead and remove the final 2 here, and what will happen is once I break this free, I have the axle nut and washers removed from the other side, and as I remove this, the hub will stay stationary, but the motor is going to jump out of the hub. So with that, this is a perfectly good motor. We just need to relace spokes, the new hub on here, and but anyway, so you just take the motor out like so. You sure to take all the gears out with it, and this is the inside of the 750 motor hub. Incidentally, I can put a 500 watt motor in here. I can put a 350 watt motor in here. They're all the same. They all are the same size of hub. So if you're running a Super Monarch crown bike, you can't see any difference between it and the 700 watt bike, other than the batteries are larger. But you couldn't, unless you look at the hub and identify that it's 750 watts or 500 or 350 watts. You would never know the difference. Once you then remove the motor, you just put it back in there, you lift the hub. So now you can just align And there we go. And now you just align the motor to the holes on the hub, and you just tighten up the 6 motors. Incidentally, when you go to put the wheel back on, we want to have the tab facing outward, and we on the washer, the large tab washer, and then we also want to have the tab pointing toward the wires coming off the motor. This way, this is the fork, and so the slots face to the ground, and then you have your fork, and then the outer washer, and then of course your bolt. With that, I hope you enjoyed this short video. A little bit of commercial advertising in there. Got to add that. If you like our page, be sure to, if you like, to like it, and we hope you enjoy the Super Monarch bikes. It was a pleasure to design them, over 1,000 hours, and I hope you enjoy all we do. For that, we give thanks. All right, we're done.